I do look like a train wreck, I think, but like it's fine. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. I would love to stand here and chat, but I have some clothes to open up. I have no explanation, okay? I just wanted to treat myself because, you know what? I work hard and I thought I deserved a little treat for myself. And also, it's Christmas. Well, no, it's not Christmas yet, but like it's Christmas in like a couple of weeks. When this goes up, it probably is going to be December, so happy Christmas. Let's just go open everything up because I cannot contain my excitement anymore, and we'll talk whilst I'm trying everything on. I'm puzzled because the last order I got wasn't as much stuff, but it was in more boxes. So I'm curious to see how they fit everything into these boxes. And oh my god, the tape is so strong. No, it's moments like this where I just have to pause and reflect on my life and say, yeah, I'm happy with my life. I'm happy with my life. Okay. Ooh, look at who is here. This is giving me everything. See, I was like, you know what? I kind of need some new clothes. And then I was like, you know what? Let me just get some new clothes. And the cart started off small. And then I just kept adding and adding and adding and adding. And here we are. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Look, guys, can you see what this is like inside? Like it's like it looks like suede. Oh my god, this is luxury. Shirling is having a moment anyway. Look, I just look like a polar. I look like a nice polar bear. That's not a friendly one. That's not gonna like eat your head off. But I mean, don't try me. I love this. This is so like just, you know. That's all I can say to it. I just love it. This was $59.95 and I got a size large to extra large because what do we love on this channel? Oversized fits. Yes, that's right. I don't want to take it off. I feel like it's like a blanket. Deep pockets. Oh my god, these pockets are so deep. Like literally you could fit your whole life in here. I need to stop. This microphone's going to be chafing and that's going to be annoying on the audio, so I do apologize. I need to relax. I need to just calm down for a second. But look at the inside, like when the wind catches this, you know, sometimes insides of these jackets can look a bit kind of, this actually looks nice and expensive. Oh, I don't want to take it off, I just love it so much. I love it that much. So they put that into this little boxing on its own, which is fine. I'm not going to be mad at you for that, Zara. We all make mistakes. But I'm interested to see how fully loaded the rest of the boxes are. Oh! Okay, so my leather obsession continues. They have like very nice, well, it's actually a different kind of leather now to this one. I actually despise buttons, like, and it's actually kind of heavy. I'm not going to lie, this is going to be interesting to see on. Okay, did I get a size too big? No, no, I did not, because the oversizedness of this is giving me life. Hi, how are you? No, actually that's not the attitude for this coat. It's, I need like sunglasses or something. Oh, I seen something. Okay guys, we're gonna have to move on because like this is too much of a bad bitch jacket. I'm catching a glimpse of myself in this and I'm like, okay, don't look directly into his eyes because I don't want to be beaten up. No, I would never hit someone. Unless you tried me. No, but I do really like this. Oh, sorry, this was $59.95, so the same price as the shirting one. And was it worth it? Yes, every penny. Okay, I'm getting too excited now. Okay, so then I got this, like, knitted, like, turtleneck. So we're just gonna try this on. So 3, 2, 1. My hair is disgusting. Oh my god, okay, let's have a look at this. I mean, do I like actually? I mean, yeah, I do. Now, I don't know if I like it with these trousers, to be honest. But I mean, I could always tuck it in. You can like play around with it a bit. I want to see what it looks like with the leather. I'm not going to lie, because realistically, it'll probably be worn together. Like, you know, when you just are happy. I do love this. I just feel like so bougie. And I don't always feel very bougie, but I do in this. Maybe like a different pair of trousers because I don't like the black. I think I'd like to have like maybe grey or like a brown or something. I do feel a little bit of irritation on my skin. I mean, it is like that fabric, I suppose. Like it does. I feel like if you were a person that didn't like the feeling of these kind of fabrics on you, if like it did bother you, that kind of itchiness, I feel like this could get like, you know, a lot. But I am not one of the people, I don't mind. Next item, ba-boom. Okay, ooh, okay, I'm getting like closer to it. Okay, oh, this is nice. Ooh, this is nice. So I also got something a bit more every person. Something that I definitely will be able to wear and wear comfortably. And I had this in my saved section for a while. I had it when I was getting my first items I got in the previous haul, but I said, nah, I better hold off for a sec. Yeah. Like, I don't need to see anymore. Like, this is it. Like, look how cute this is. I love it. Oh, I love this color as well. It's just very, like, earthy. Yeah, it's very me. I feel very, like, myself in this. Like, seeing the side of this, like, the inside of this wouldn't be as nice as the inside of this. This is, soft. This is, meh. Like, it looks like the inside of a jacket. Nothing too special. Love this, love this, love this. Okay, right. I know I got something in here and I just really want to try them on before I go any further. So I got a pair of sunglasses because I lost mine. And look how cute this is. It comes with a little kind of like bag for it, which is really nice. Now I'm interested because sunglasses are funny on me. A lot of sunglasses don't really suit me. So I'm kind of nervous, not going to like to try them on. Okay. Oh, I'm scared. Sometimes they make my face look very fat. And I'm not about that. So I always get nervous when I order sunglasses, especially ones that are, I mean, these aren't really expensive. They're like €50, but still, I mean, my previous pair of sunglasses were €10. I don't know if it's my face that's crooked, or do I give you blind vibes? Or do I give you like, okay, yeah, killing it vibes? I'm not too sure now, to be honest. Oh, the blue one. Let's have, okay, I'm excited about this one. Okay, right, let's put this one on. Boom. Okay, so this is, I actually, not going to lie, I think I prefer this one to, oh, do I actually? See, I know this mirror is very deceiving right in front of me. Like, you know, on camera, I'm like, yeah, good work. And then in this, I'm like, James, what if this and this? Oh, that's just like a dream. Do love this. I like the color. I like the fit. Ooh, okay, so what's next? Gloves. So gloves are neat. Oh, did I get the right size now? Let's hope and pray that I got the right size. I don't know who I'm turning into, but I'm kind of here for it. Obviously, they wouldn't be like tied; they'd be separated by this. Oh, oops! Well, they're separated now, so I'm keeping them. I guess. Yeah. Hold on a second. The gloves make my hands like way fatter. Okay. Hold on a second. Hi, how are you? Is my car size? Thank you very much. I'll just take it off. It's the Aston Martin. Thank you very much. This is everything. I love these gloves, and now they complete my ensemble. They do. I mean, is this not winter vibes, or is it not? Like, this is literally winter right here. I should be on the mountain getting my ski gear ready because I'm winning winter right now. Okay, so hold on. Whilst we're here, I ordered I ordered another pair of these Chelsea boots, the ones I ordered last time, but in a size smaller. So I'm interested now to see if where can I open this up? You're gonna see. I'm interested now to see if these are gonna be a better size for me, a better fit. And I swear to God, if they're not, I'll be very pissed, Zara. I mean, I can't see why they shouldn't be. Like, these look far more my size than the other ones. Yeah. Oh, these feel so nice. Oh my God. This is what I needed from the other pair, but the other pair weren't delivering, were they? They were just refusing to deliver. This makes me feel a lot better now. This does. I do look like a train wreck, I think, but like, it's fine. I mean, I think I changed the trousers too. This is my first time ordering Zara trousers, so the leg length is what I'm nervous about. I knew it. I had a feeling that Zara trousers are going to be very short. I'm going to have to get them taken down at the hem, I think. Just a bit. Just to give me that extra comfort. And then I think these, like with this outfit maybe. Can you visualize? Because I'm not putting them on. Because I know they're not going to fit properly and I don't want to put myself through that. Oh my God, these shoes are so much better. Okay, right. Yes. God, it's like a workout trying all this stuff on. Like, I do like this These are very nice, yeah. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, right. I got these ones. See, I'm nervous about the length of them because I don't know if Zara thinks that everyone has dwarf legs or not, but I mean, I don't think it's fair to have that inclusivity of, like, you know, because they seem awful high up, do they not? Oh, actually, this like kind of looks nice together, doesn't it? You're just like coming through my brain at the moment because I'm just saying as I go along. Okay, these were $39.95 and the other ones were $49.95. Okay, so that's that bar. Final box. My God, I didn't think I'd be saying that with a sigh of relief, but final box. Okay, right. Oh, this is, oh my God, it feels like my duvet. So I got this puffer jacket. Oh, this is everything. Okay, this is gonna be me all winter. Yeah, this is my jacket for, oh, yes, 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 yes. Like, is this not everything? I mean, you can't even tell me it's not because I know it is. Oh, it's so nice. Look at this, it's a corduroy, it's like white, and look at that. It literally feels like a quilt. Like, it's so warm. I'm not looking forward to keeping it clean. And it has these things at the bottom, so if you wanted to make the bottom like kind of more scrunched up, you totally can do that. I mean, I don't think I will because I feel like it makes me look like I'm about to explode at the top, but you know what? Each to their own. I just want to demonstrate to see, or maybe I will actually. Maybe I will. It's kind of like, it's very like kind of like vintage or something, isn't it? Like it feels like I'm like shoo, shoo, shoo energy. So I like this. Okay, right. Oh, this is so, I love this so much. And then it has like a little pocket in here, which is nice. It has pockets on the outside, which are accessed via zip, which is nice as well. This is everything. This is everything. And that's all I have to say on that part. I don't know if this rating will be able to support it. Okay. Oh, and then I got a faux leather puffer jacket, which is also, you know, a interesting vibe to say the least. Oh, this one's very buttery. I like this. Oh, I assume this one's going to be like for like the wetter days, you know. Whereas that one will be, obviously you can't wear the corduroy in the rain because it would soak right through. Like, here we go. Hold on now. This one I definitely think I will tighten down here. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Cut, we're done. We're going home now because my life's complete. Yeah, I really like this. I'm just like, yeah, how's the weather today? Oh yeah, it's lovely, yeah. Oh, like imagine it with like these underneath against it. Oh, like, I mean, honestly, I just can't with this. It's just so nice. Like, that's not a very long length though, like, honestly. This hardly goes down to here. I mean, it should be fine if I get it extended out at the bottom, but then it'll still be pretty short. Anyway, it's fine. Pretty successful shop this time around, I think. I mean, there was the two here that need to be returned and gotten a size smaller, but you know what? That's fine. We're going to do that. I'm not going to be lazy this time. I'm going to actually do that and get them returned and, you know, get a size smaller because I don't want a parachute on my body. I mean, this is near enough one, but okay. I really hope you enjoyed my little fashion haul. I'm glad I can come on here and show you what I bought. This will be me done now for the winter. I'm not allowing myself to buy anymore because realistically, I can't do that to my bank account. It's not fair. So anyway, guys, let me know what your favorite item was. Have you done any shopping recently? Where's your favorite place to shop? Because I'm always looking for new places to shop. I mean, I think I'm going to try to expand outside of Zara in the future, but you know, never say never. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just so you're notified when I upload. I upload twice a week. I think a couple of videos after this one, my new project will be up, so you know, watch out. It's exciting. Bye.